Today I am trying to generate a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT, Office 365, and the Word document of Office 365. So to generate the content for PowerPoint presentation, I will go to ChatGPT and I will give uh, the prompt, and using that prompt I will first generate the PowerPoint presentation content. Okay, so I will just write a simple prompt like uh, write PPT content on uh, like linked list in JavaScript with example. uh, you can modify this prompt as per your convenience. So just for the example purpose I have written this prompt. So I will submit this prompt, and now you can see I got response from ChatGPT. I will wait uh, until this response rendering finishes. So you can see that the last slide is any questions. So total 12 slides are generated, and I will select the content. We just need this content, so I will copy this content up to this slide 12. So and I will copy this content from here. Now I will go to Office 365, and here I will first open this Word document. Okay, so I will wait to open that Word document, and here I will simply paste the content which I had copied from. uh, we'll make sure that content is not duplicated. Okay, so content is copied properly to this Word document. Now I will go to this file menu, and here we can see this export option. As per my knowledge, this export option uh, is available on Office 365 along with this export to PowerPoint. So uh, for that only reason I am using this Office 365. Okay, and now I will click on this export to presentation. Here you can see the different design themes, so that our PowerPoint presentation will get nice look and feel. You can select any theme as per your choice. So I will select this one, and I will click the export button, and I will wait to finish this exporting. Now the exporting is finished. I will open this presentation, and you can see the presentation is successfully created within few clicks and only few minutes. So you can see that we have used the ChatGPT, Office 365, and we have created a PowerPoint presentation. So in this way you can create any PowerPoint presentation using these tools.